Hey, it's Manny from Team Gantt. Today we're talking about the 6 most common issues that project managers face and how you can solve them with Gantt charts. Whether you're juggling deadlines, managing resources, or keeping your team aligned, a Gantt chart is one of the best tools to bring order to the chaos. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how Gantt charts work, but also see why using a tool like Team Gantt can bring your project management to the next level. With that being said, let's get started. One of the biggest challenges in project management is poor visibility into the project timeline. Without a clear picture of your timeline, it's nearly impossible to track progress or anticipate delays. A Gantt chart solves this by visually mapping out your entire project from start to finish. Each task is displayed as a horizontal bar showing the duration and when it overlaps with other tasks. This bird's eye view lets you see the big picture and the finer details all at the same time. With Team Gantt, you can customize your timeline, adjust task durations, and even add color coding for different phases of your project. It's all about making the timeline work for you. The second common problem is unclear task dependencies. Have you ever been halfway through a project only to discover that a critical task wasn't completed beforehand? That's what happens when dependencies are not clear. A Gantt chart connects tasks with lines to show the relationship, so you can see what must be completed in order for the next task to begin. In Team Gantt, setting up dependencies is as simple as drawing a line between one task and another. This feature keeps your team on track and ensures that no one accidentally skips an important part of the process. Another frequent issue is poor resource allocation. It's easy for team members to be overloaded or underutilized when you don't have a clear picture of who is working on what. Gantt charts help by not only just showing tasks, but also who's responsible for each one. With Team Gantt, you can assign tasks to individuals or teams and see their workload at a glance. If someone has too much on their plate, you can easily reassign tasks or adjust deadlines to keep things balanced. This kind of visibility makes it super easy to make sure that your resources are being used efficiently and your team is not burning out. Now let's talk about missed deadlines, a problem that every project manager dreads. Without clear start and end dates, it's easy for project timelines to slip. Gantt charts are a game changer here. They give every task a defined timeline so you know exactly when work needs to start and finish. Team Gantt takes it a step further by letting you add milestones, those key dates that mark critical points in your project, like approvals or deliverables. Milestones are visually distinct, making it easy to track your project's progress and stay ahead of the schedule. And another major challenge is inefficient team communication. Miscommunication can lead to duplicate work, missed tasks, or team members being out of sync. A Gantt chart centralizes your project plan, providing a single source of truth for everyone on the team. And Team Gantt, collaboration is built right in. Team members can comment on tasks, share updates, and even attach files directly to the project plan. This not only streamlines communication, but also ensures that everyone has access to the information that they need when they need it. And finally, there's the issue of lack of flexibility. Let's face it, no project goes exactly as planned. Deadlines shift, priorities change, and unexpected obstacles pop up. Gantt charts make it easy to adapt to these changes. In Team Gantt, you can drag and drop tasks to reschedule them, or update dependencies in real time. This flexibility helps your project stay on track, even when the unexpected happens. To sum it up, Gantt chart solves 6 major problems in project management: poor visibility, unclear dependencies, inefficient resource allocation, missed deadlines, communication breakdowns, and lack of flexibility. When you use a Gantt chart with a tool like Team Gantt, you're not only solving these problems, but setting your project up for success. Team Gantt offers more than just Gantt charts. With views like List, Calendar, and Kanban, you can work the way that suits you and your team best. Plus, the intuitive interface makes it easy to get started, whether you're managing your first project or your 100th. If you're ready to simplify your projects and solve these common problems, you can sign up and try Team Gantt for free today. You can find a link in the description below. As always, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, as well as subscribe for future videos on personal and project management. Again, my name is Manny from Team Gantt, and I'll see you guys next time.